Okay, it's time to open one more box of new books. All right, so we've got One Piece number 87, Devil's Pocket by John Dixon, Chasing King's Killer by James L. Swanson. This is the guy who wrote Killing Lincoln's Killer, and that one was great, so this book will be really good too, I'm sure. Bravelands, Blood and Bone, Aaron Hunter, one of your guys' favorite series. The Devil's Thief by Lisa Maxwell. And I read this one. If you're into fantasy that's a little more complex, this is the sequel to The Last Magician. It's a great series. When Elephants Fly, Nancy Richardson Fisher. Not Even Bones by Rebecca Schaefer. Looks like a murder mystery. The 57 Bus by Dashka Slater. Looks like this won some great awards. Open Mic Night at Westminster Cemetery by Mary Amato. Wonder if that's a bit humorous. The Land of Stories, The Ultimate Book Hugger's Guide by Chris Colfer. And this is a really popular series. So, oh, this is cool. That looks like a fun book. And another copy of Arch Enemies by Marissa Meyer. This is the author of the Lunar Chronicles, that's Cinder. And this one is the sequel to Renegades, I believe. And come and check these out at the library.